Hey, what's up, y'all? The truth is, I didn't get my freedom from an inheritance, a lottery ticket, or creating the next big app or something like that. I did it with one simple side hustle, all while living in a country where the cost of living is very, very cheap compared to back home. And this one simple side hustle, it gave me the money I needed to invest and to basically buy my freedom. And today, I'm going to share with you exactly what I did in order to make that happen. But first, I'm about to go wash my car because I haven't driven in 3 months and it's super, super dirty. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to talk to you guys about how I made this work out for me. Had some bad luck. My batteries gave out on me on my car. So I'm here swapping my battery out. But anyway, not important. Sometimes those things happen. I'm trying to get rid of my car anyway, to be honest with you. But anyway, I want to talk to you guys. First of all, answer the first question. Why China? Because I've been living in China for 16 years, and everybody's always asked me why China. So number one is cost of living, and number two is opportunity. So I'll cover those really quick. Basically, cost of living, I spend $800 to $1,500 per month to live a normal, everyday, average, middle-class lifestyle equivalent to what I would have in America. And that cost me $800 to $1,200, $1,500 a month here. And back home in America, this exact same lifestyle would cost me $4,000 to $5,000 a month. So I'm literally spending 1/4 or 1/5 of what I would spend in America to have the exact same life. And number two, as I said, opportunity. China, there's 1.2 billion people here to sell my shit to. And Chinese people have money, they have disposable income. In America, there's 300 million people? So I wouldn't have that many people to market to or to sell to. So that's why China, low cost and opportunity. Also, I forgot to mention about the environment. How this environment helps, number one, is because I'm living overseas in a different culture, in a different place. It feels like I'm on vacation 24/7. It's like always being on vacation. And having that feeling gives me mental space, mental capacity, mental clarity to take on things like side hustles because I'm not mentally exhausted from working so hard at a job. I mean, I worked here too for many years, and but it wasn't like work because I was living in another place, and it was just like having just more relaxing. It's not the same as being a local person and working in that local environment. So all those things, really contributed to me having the ability to even do a side hustle in the first place to earn the money. So what side hustle did I do? I did my side hustle in the fitness industry because that's what I know about. And I'm not telling you to do a side hustle in fitness, but that's what I did, and I'm gonna tell you why I did that or why I chose that. So number one, I've been doing fitness pretty much my whole life, so I have extensive knowledge about fitness. And also, as I said, being here in China, I'm different. I'm not Chinese, so I have different knowledge and learn different things than what they have learned here locally. So I have that strategic advantage. And so basically, I started working in a gym part-time, training clients, teaching clients fitness. And then I started thinking, how can I earn more money from this instead of spending my time, one-on-one training people in the gym? And so what I started doing was I started also selling those clients fitness supplements that I was using, such as protein and creatine and things like that. I started selling those products to the people. And so that helped me make some extra income. And then I started thinking, what else can I do to start making money? They're buying my stuff and all this and that. So then basically what I started doing was getting into groups, like local group chats, and basically talking to people about fitness, and then letting people know I have these products for sale. And then before you know it, people started buying the products, and word started to spread. And week by week, month by month, year by year, the business just grew and grew and grew until it outgrew the salary that I was earning from my job. Now, what did I do? Did I quit my job? No. I kept working because the business was pretty much running on autopilot all online. And while it was doing that, it started making enough money to live off of. It surpassed my job income. And so what I started doing was using the income from the fitness business to live off of. And then all the extra money I had from that, plus the income from my job, I just started putting that money in the bank and saving it and just kept it. And eventually that money started piling up. And I didn't know what to do with it actually, because just so much money was piling up. And I was thinking, I have all this cash, and what am I going to do with this stuff? And then I started looking at places I could put my money, and that's how I learned about investing and how to put my money to work for me to earn me even more money. So that's what I started doing. That's how I started getting into investing, and actually getting the money to invest was not just working a full-time job, but starting a side hustle and doing all those things, and in the places that are cheap to live in. So basically what freedom looks like now, because I am free, I can do anything I want anytime I want to do it, and go anywhere I want to go without worrying about a paycheck. And my life is very different today, because I can live off my investments. Number one, because my expenses are very low. I have several sources of passive income, not just from investments, but also from the fitness business that I started before, from YouTube channel, from book sales. I just have income coming in from all over the place. And all those things can fund my lifestyle abroad, no matter where I decide to live, or where I decide to go, or when I decide to do it. And so I guess basically the key takeaway here is going to be, like, start small wherever you are. Use your skills that you have right now to your advantage, so you don't have to learn something new and start from scratch. You can start with something that you already know, whatever it is. And then, of course, as I mentioned, location arbitrage, being in a cheap place really, really, really helps a lot. And all those things combined will give you money to start investing. And eventually, over time, you will have enough to get your freedom. So if you want to see, more of this kind of thing, what I do, I share all my investment portfolios and things like that here openly on this channel for free. I have a free course that I'm uploading every week on this channel. And I actually have another channel about life or lifestyle in China. If you want to see that, you can, go watch that channel. And all those links will be down in the description below. So go check that stuff out if you're interested. And I'll see you guys next time. I'm going to finish fixing my car and and go wash the thing. And I'll see you guys next time, man. Y'all take care.